Good morning, folks. Good morning indeed. Mr. Garry here in front of the Taj Mahal chicken coop this morning. It's a rainy old morning, but not every day can be flowers, and not every day can be sunshine, so we have to take the rain with the sun, and that's what we're getting today, folks. Enjoying my morning coffee. Got my egg carton here. It's getting a little bit damp, a little bit wet from all the rain. Going to go inside very, very shortly and collect some eggs. And if you've been watching our channel and you've been very observant, you might notice something different about the front of the Taj Mahal chicken coop today. I'll zoom around in a second so you can have a better look at it, but there's been some changes, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. We'll do that. I'll drink my morning coffee and we'll collect some eggs. Thanks for joining me, folks. Appreciate you stopping by. So as I said, it's been raining here all morning. It started raining last night, actually. So it's been raining on and off all night. But take a look at the front of the Taj Mahal chicken coop now. I went pallet hunting a few days ago and collected quite a few of pallets for various projects that I'm planning on doing here on the homestead, and I've done quite a few already. What you're looking at here now is 3 pallets, a very large one on the bottom, then a medium-sized one, and a smaller one on the top. And I've arranged them in this particular order to make some steps, to make it easier for myself and for Miss Betty to get into and out of the Taj Mahal chicken coop. Now, prior to the pallets being put there, I had these old stair treads just laid down on the ground, and they were alive and very unsafe to be walking on, actually. So I took those and I cut them up into smaller pieces, and I made this high planter. A nice sized planter with a lot of height to it, like I said, so Miss Betty doesn't have to go bending over too much. So I repurposed the steps into a planter, and I found an old decking board that I cut on 45s and made a frame over the top. Now, it's like a hugelkultur bed. If you're familiar with hugelkultur, we have several videos on our YouTube channel explaining what hugelkultur is. But basically, the first half of this planter is filled with rocks and stones and debris and old logs and stuff like that. And then at the halfway point, I just threw in a little bit of sawdust and stuff there to kind of level it off. But the remainder of this now will receive some compost, some growing medium like a nice good soil, a bit of sand, and we're not quite sure yet, but we will be planting something useful and practical in this planter. Now, Miss Betty said yesterday she might plant some carrots in there because we do enjoy carrots. Carrots is one of our favorite vegetables. And the girls like carrots also. So it's basically a win-win. I repurposed and reused all that extra wood and that old wood, and I repurposed these pallets and made a nice set of steps there now, easier to get in and out of for sure. So all great. Now, my carton, as I said, is getting wet, and my coffee is getting diluted with the rain, but that's okay. We're going to go inside the Taj Mahal chicken coop and collect some eggs, and you're welcome to join me. All right, now, as always, I ring the bell to let the girls know that I'm coming in. Untoggle the door. Now, it's still quite early. I think it's only around 7:30, and our girls sometimes don't lay till closer to 10. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Not a very nice morning, though. Now, let me come in and see what the egg situation is like this morning. It's a bit dark in here still, too. I think we got a few eggs, though. If I look down here, there's a dark brown one from one of the Norians. So we can put that one in there. We got 2 more here. We got a green one and a blue one. Okay, so that's 3 so far. And if I spin around over here, we have some girls over here in the nesting box. And it looks like they're getting ready to lay or doing some laying. Now, what do you think, girls? I'm going to leave you alone, let you do your thing. We'll always come back and get some eggs later on. Now, you guys enjoy your day. You enjoy your day so much. So I'll come out and check on you from time to time. There's one of our blue Azores. She's up there getting ready to lay another egg. Okay, so we'll come back and check on them a little bit later today. Now, so we've got 3 so far, and I'm sure there's a few more. Now, we take those inside. We usually get about a dozen every day, so that's a good thing. I'll lay them there. I got a little wedge that I use to keep the door open. So I just poke that wedge in there to keep that door open. And I'll close the screen one and I'll put the toggle across. They can look out, and fresh air will go back and forth inside the coop. Now, there you go. That's what I wanted to show you this morning. There's some old pallets that I got down there. We'll go back inside the house now with our few eggs. We'll get more throughout the day, I'm sure. There's those nesting boxes. We can start now collecting from out here. I don't want to disturb her. Look, there she is there, look. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. Oh, there you go. The Taj Mahal chicken coop.